The proven PLC interface relay system is your high-performance interface between the controller and system I/O devices. In the narrow surface mount housing, you can use plug-in electromechanical relays or solid-state relays. Find your individual solution from a wide range of special functions. Simplify wiring effort with fast connection technology, special sensor and actuator modules with integrated power distribution, and adapters for the system cabling. Logic modules transform your relay system into an autonomous, flexible, small-scale controller.